Working with a local installer for your gas fire feature. In our estimation, it is, I would say, of paramount importance to work with a local gas professional to source, to do the final connections, the plumbing, the gas line work, all of that on your gas fire feature. One of the first steps, in fact, in considering any of this is to just contact your local pro. If you're using propane, you're going to look for a propane company. If you're using natural gas, you're going to look for an HVAC, a plumber. Those guys can do that. To determine the BTUs available to set the appropriate gas line size so that you can get the fire that you want, and you're working in tandem with all of these things. If you know, for example, the size of burner that you want, I want a 290,000 BTU burner. Well, you're going to tell your pro, I'm getting a 290K. I need a gas line that's going to get me there, right? If you're working with propane, same thing. You have the distance, the size of the tank, the size of the lines, the final connections. All of that plays in concert together to make sure that you are getting the right flame. Those are questions that unfortunately I can't answer because no two of these things are the same. There's general guidelines around it, but the first call you're going to make is to find out who is going in your area, who is going to give you the most accurate information. The reason that you're going to want to have a local professional connect these is, number one, the simplest, you don't want to blow yourself up. That's easy, right? They're going to be licensed gas professionals to make those final connections. That's why you're going to work with a local professional to do the connections in your gas fire feature.